Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and this video is going to be on the exterior finish of this E38 740iL. We have a great listing with a nice video, but somehow in the recent couple of weeks, we had several people that asked about more accurate description of the exterior finish. So here's the car in our showroom, and I will show you pretty much all the painted surfaces. Yes, there are some panels that have previous paint work, and this was done many years ago. The paint looks phenomenal, which indicates that it's probably going to, most likely, not probably, going to hold up just as good for many years to come. And you can see I'm gonna run my camera so that you can just see what I can see. And starting from the very front of the car, there are some minor chips that have been touched up. You can see one right here, zooming in, yeah, focusing in rather. Here's another one here. Again, they're barely noticeable, and there are not a lot of them. This is probably the largest one, is right here. Overall, the front end of the car looks very presentable. There are some light scuffing here that definitely will buff out. And then the lower section looks very nice. Minor misalignment here on the door molding. It's actually not loose, it just warped a little bit. Minor misalignment on this molding. You can see right here, right there. Just the molding is not straight. You can see it starts here nice and straight and then kind of bows up. So you would have to, actually, you know what? It just became much better. Here's another chip right here that's been touched up. It's been like that for many years. And the reason we know the car, because it was owned by one of the employees here at AlphaCars. Here's another potential issue right here. So there's a small, tiny rust. Well, I shouldn't say tiny. It's small, but it is a rust bubble. Needs to be opened up and touched up right there. The rest of the paint on the quarter panel looks great. No issues anywhere. A chip right there. So the roof shows no blemishes. As far as the paint finish goes, there's a small ding right here, and pointing to that, it's no paint damage, just a little ding. And the front of the roof, the whole roof is actually no blemishes. Gasket is nice and clean. The windshield was professionally replaced, but by one of our favorite technicians at the local glass shop, so that's properly done. And let's keep going. Yeah, we should disclose there's actually a scuff on the windshield right there. That's right in the windshield. It's definitely not in your visibility zone, but it's there. So we will disclose it. These moldings were replaced and installed new when the glass was installed. Let's continue with paint finish. The trunk looks very nice. I don't think you can actually notice that, but I can see a tiny little couple of dings here and there. And the rear bumper, there's a little scuff right there, but everything aligns nicely. Overall paint on the bumper is very nice. A couple of little scuffs right here and there. But again, overall, in this price range, this value is hard to beat. This quarter looks very nice. And yeah, nothing negative. Doors look very nice. moldings, everything lines up nicely. And the same is true for this fender, so that's all good. Wheels are nice, excellent tires. They are winter tires, but plenty of tread left. So that's great. Yeah, these are one of the most comfortable seats in the automotive industry. You can see the door trims look nice. This is natural wood, so there is some light surface cracking in the clear coat here and there, but overall looks very, very presentable. The owner's manuals are there. Glove box works great. And this car has DSP sound system. It is still one of the best sound you can hear in a car, including some modern cars. That's the cold start. It runs very, very smooth, very nice. Let's pop the hood. Yeah, the carpet, seats, steering wheel, everything is in great shape. AC works awesome. And that's the cold start. I have my hand on the engine. I can even put it on the exhaust right there. Still, it is a true cold start and incredibly smooth running engine. This car had a lot of work done, so you can check out our listing where we list everything. But that's why it is running so smooth. It's bone dry underneath and here in the engine bay. $162 easy miles. The history of the car, I'll remind you, we purchased it from a local customer who bought it brand new and serviced it at the BMW dealership. And then one of AlphaCars employees purchased the car, and I think they put 25 to 30,000 miles and did a ton of work. The reason the original owner sold the car to us because they knew it needed all this work. They decided to reluctantly part with the car, but we definitely very thankful for how they kept the car. Look at the condition of the, again, interior and exterior, for that matter. It's in great shape. So there it is. Yes, and the headliner is actually in very good condition. Nothing is loose. It's all good. Yeah, you can see right there. So thank you for watching this video from AlphaCars. This is our Boxborough location where we have awesome inventory of motorcycles with sidecars, Royal Enfield brand. We have a lot of trade-ins like this awesome Harley. And as you can see, we have excellent selection of variety of different cars. But this BMW 740iL is probably one of the best values in years. So thanks for watching this video. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button.